Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Infinity Tech. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to reset your Chrome to default settings. So it's a very simple. First of all, you just need to go to the Chrome browser and at the top, there's the three buttons. There's the three dots. You just need to click on this button with three dots and then go to the settings. Just go to settings simply. And at the bottom, there's the reset setting. Just click on this and here you can see the restore setting to their original defaults. Just click on this defaults and there they give us that reset some Chrome settings and Chrome shortcuts, disable all the extension, delete all the cookies and other temporary settings. They also bookmark won't be affected, like our saved password history and bookmark is secure. These all things are affected by these resetting. So for this, simply click on the resetting button and here you go. Now your all the default original settings are setting again and your Chrome is again restore. So to get more informative videos like this, just follow my channel Infinity Tech. Bye, take care.